Download our app available from the App Store and Play Store. Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Roshni. Let's look at today's daily bulletin. Offering relaxation to the PG medical students of batch 2020-2021, the Postgraduate Medical Education Board of National Medical Commission has exempted 1 out of 2 requirements, poster presentation and read a paper at a national or state conference for appearing in the PG degree examination. The exemption has been offered by the NMC PG board as it considered the COVID pandemic situation that the medicos had to face during their years of study. However, the board has clarified in the public notice that submission of research paper is mandatory. Taking note of the fact that specialist doctors are not joining their posts of deputation in the tribal areas of Maharashtra, the Maharashtra High Court on Thursday has directed the state government for taking stern action against such medical professionals. The High Court bench of Acting Chief Justice S.V. Gangapurewala and Justice Sandeep V. Marne issued such directions after the state government informed the bench about issuing show cause notices to altogether 52 specialist doctors for not reporting to their post in the Melghat region, which has high number of child deaths occurring as a result of insufficient medical facilities. Addressing the doubts regarding implementation of district residency program for the PG medical students of broad specialty, the PG Medical Education Board of National Medical Commission has now issued clarification in this regard. The Apex Medical Commission Board has clarified that the 3 months district residency program is mandatory for all the students admitted in the 2021 batch onwards, even for the students belonging to private medical colleges and deemed universities. Gurgaon-based Breathe Well-Being, which calls itself a diabetes reversal company, on Thursday said it has raised Rs 50 crore in pre-Series B round. The round was co-led by 314 Capital, Axel and General Catalyst, with participation from Founder Bank Capital and Super Morpheus. The health tech startup claims to offer an alternative to medicines to prevent, manage and reverse type 2 diabetes. Founded in 2020 by Rohan Verma, who was formerly with McKinsey, with Aditya Khekar, who was formerly with Accenture, the startup says that its program is recognized by the American Diabetes Association.
A recent study suggests that schizophrenia may be associated with alterations in the vascularization of certain brain regions. Researchers found a link between astrocytes, which are central nervous system cells, from patients with schizophrenia and formation of narrow blood vessels. In the study, the researchers focused on the role of astrocytes in development of the disease. These glial cells are housekeepers of the central nervous system and important to its defense. They are the central elements of the neurovascular units that integrate neural circuitry with local blood flow and provide neurons with metabolic support. Heritable pathogenic defects in genes related to mitosis and telomere function may specifically increase the risk of sarcomas, that are rare cancers that develop in muscles, bones and other connective tissues, reported by researchers. The findings provide new biological insight into sarcoma development and could inform better genetic risk profiles for sarcoma susceptibility. Sarcomas are aggressive and difficult to treat cancers that tend to develop in younger patients. However, due to their relative rarity, they are not as well understood as other more common forms of cancer. In a recent study, researchers from Japan have identified cycloadenyl ferulate, or CAF, as the main cytoprotective or cell-protecting compound in brown rice. CAF is a unique compound owing to its hybrid structure. In it, the researchers provide evidence of CAF's antioxidant properties by demonstrating that it can protect cells from stress caused by hydrogen peroxide. Although hydrogen peroxide is a byproduct of a cell's metabolic processes, abnormal amounts of the compound can be toxic to cells and cause irreversible damage. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon.